This is the easiest way of installing and running Windows 11 ARM64 on any Mac with Apple Silicon using Parallels. It's an amazing software that helps running Windows 11 as a part of the guest OS. Unlike UTM and VMware, Parallels is the top-notch virtualization software for Mac OS that offers an incredible performance of Windows 11 running on a virtual machine. Using Parallels, you can install Steam to play Windows games, and you can also use Windows 11 as a daily driver. Now that being said, let's go ahead and start installing Windows 11 on Apple Silicon Mac. Now keep in mind, as of now, Windows 11 cannot be installed using a boot camp on any Apple Silicon Mac, but with Parallels, you can run Windows 11 on top of Mac OS inside a virtual machine and offers a bare metal experience. Alright, first things first, this guide will work on any Apple Silicon Mac. For demonstrating this video, I used MacBook Air with an M1 chip. Now as you can see, it's running the latest version of Mac OS. To install Windows 11 on any Mac with Apple Silicon, you need to reserve a free space of 60 GB or higher. Then head over to this link using a web browser. Now this will take you to the official website of Parallels. Now keep in mind, Parallels is a premium tool and you need to buy it to take full advantage of Apple Silicon. But before buying, it offers a 14-day trial period to try and test Windows 11 on your Mac for free. Now trust me guys, this is an incredible premium software that is worth buying if you decide to use Windows 11 for longer. But for now, I'm going to use the trial version. Don't worry, you don't have to give any payment information to use it. Once it's done downloading, double tap on the DMG file and choose to install the Parallels desktop. Make sure your Mac is connected to the internet and the installer will set up a virtualization environment on your Mac. Alright, once it's installed, you will be presented with this screen. Now using this page, you can start installing Windows 11 on your Mac. Now just click on Choose Edition. For now, I'm going to use Windows 11 Professional Edition. Then click on Install. Now this will automatically download Windows 11 from Microsoft servers and install it. You have to do nothing, just grab some snacks and watch the magic of Parallels. Alright, once you see this page, click on Continue. The Parallels will prompt you to sign in or create a new user account. If you are using Parallels for the first time, choose this option and create an account. I'm having a Parallels account and choose to sign in with my credentials. Now, as soon as you choose the trial version, it will let you use Windows 11. Now, as you can see, if I jump into full screen mode, it adjusts the screen resolution automatically. Now, if you read the system information, you can see by default it uses 4 CPU cores. Now, keep in mind, we are running a Windows 11 evaluation copy. If you have a Windows 11 license key, you can use it to activate the Windows operating system. Unlike UTM and VMware, Parallels take an advantage of Apple Silicon, and you can see the base speed is set to 3.2 GHz. Also, while installing Windows 11, Parallels automatically installs the graphic drivers and other tools that help seamlessly work Windows 11 with Mac OS. Now, as you can see, the internet is working fine without any issues. Now, if you head over to the File Manager, you can see the iCloud drive and Mac OS home folder is auto-mounted. Now, this way you have an access to Mac OS data inside Windows 11. Now my favorite feature of Parallels is the Coherence mode. Now just right click on the Windows 11 icon, choose the view and enter Coherence. Now this way you can run Windows 11 applications side by side with Mac OS application. It's an amazing thing guys, and you must try this feature. If in case your Apple Silicon Mac has more CPU cores and RAM, you can use them to allocate to Windows 11 to improve the performance further. To do so, first turn off Windows 11, then click on Settings from the top right, choose Hardware, then select CPU and Memory, then choose Manual. For now, I would set 6 cores for Windows 11 and 4 gigs of RAM. Now this will improve gaming performance. Once it's done, you can restart Windows 11. It's time to talk about gaming in Windows 11 using Parallels. I used Steam and played Mortal Kombat, and guess what? The gameplay was incredible. I have not noticed any frame drops. It was so smooth, and it's unbelievable that we have installed Windows 11 on a virtual machine that is capable of playing Steam games. And that's pretty much it. This is how you easily install Windows 11 on any Mac with Apple Silicon using Parallels. Windows 11 ARM64 seems to be almost stable and it's ready to be used as a daily driver. If you really need Windows 11 on your Apple Silicon and you want to use it for longer, you can buy a Windows 11 license key and the premium version of Parallels to use as a daily driver. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. This has been KSK Ryle. I will see you at the next one.